Hi guys, now I'm at Glenfield for part 3. Got a B38 depart here, which you seen in the earlier video. Taken off from here. He waved! But he won! I'm getting all the good ones. I'm lucky. For a city circle service. One. Oh, did I miss?
Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay.
B19 now departed. Platform something. For a city circle. Now we have another train. Too many. B19. Now we've got an Acer doing a T5 to Schofield's. A set. I think A28 to Schofield's via Parramatta. Oh my gosh, this is my first T5 train ever. Oh, and now we've got a B set. B10, I think, yes, B10. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Okay, so that's not stopping. K64.